So it is 10:30 right now and we're waiting for our bus. It leaves about in an hour. TBS is a little bit quieter than usual. Some things over here is a bit different. You have the social distancing procedures, the temperature checks, and everyone's required to wear a mask to get in here.
It's been quite a while since we travelled. We'll be going to Tanjung Gemuk Jetty, and from there we'll be taking the ferry, which we've booked with the hotel previously.
So we just got into our bus. We're gonna have a nice nap right now. Good night guys, we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning guys, it's 7:30 AM right now and the bus actually dropped us off really early in the morning, around 3:30 AM, and the first ferry for today is going to leave around 11 AM. I think it's also because of the level of tourism at the moment right now, so there's not many ferries and not high traffic at all. I guess that's why the ferry schedule is a little bit later. And the last time that we came, the earliest ferry actually left at 8 AM. Tickets and the boarding pass. So the next thing you're gonna do is pay the marine park fee actually.
Good morning! We are gonna have some waffles for breakfast. Not many shops open, but yeah, this is all we can get for now.
So when the stores are just open and they're right in the jetty terminal itself.
So hot.
They're finally boarding the ferry.
After a 2.5-hour journey of boat ride, we're finally here in Pulau Tioman! Yay!
Now we're gonna go walk to our resort. So this is ABC. You can see there's a lot of villages, chalets all around us. Very laid back and it's very quiet today.
We are here in Tioman Dive Resort. So we're staying in Tioman Dive Resort. We'll give you a little tour of where we're gonna stay for the next 2 nights. And we're staying in room number 1. Welcome to our room. Really nice and cozy. King-size bed. We have a TV here. A little kettle. So there's a non-smoking room with a little fridge. There's some coffee and tea there. Yeah, they even give you a bottle. There's a water dispenser outside where you can refill your water. Pretty painting. The room has a fan and air condition as well, very important. Oh, there's even a safe. Here you have the bathroom, just a simple bathroom. You have the shower room here. Comes with a hairdryer too for us ladies or men. Yeah, so that's it for the room tour. Now we're gonna go have lunch, and after that we're gonna go for a refresher dive because we haven't been diving for a year. Yeah, we'll see you later.
First meal of the day, we actually ordered some local food. This is the nasi goreng kampung. The one thing I really like about Tioman is that they have really affordable food over here and you get to enjoy the scenery as well. It's so nice. Lunch by the beach.
So what I've got here is the mee goreng mamak. It looks so good.
Look at that awesome dinner that we're having. Ever since we got our certificate, we have not came out to dive, so we think that going for a refresher course would help us gain some confidence before we go for the boat dives, and I'm really glad that we did.
Yeah, it's been a year since we've dived, so...
We were supposed to go diving like earlier this year, so this was the chance that we took, and we are glad that we are out here right now in Tioman. Nothing could be better.
Fish and chips by the beach.
By the beach. It's gonna be dinner now. Later we'll go for some drinks.
Hey guys, give it a hi!
Good morning guys, it's 7 AM right now. We just woke up and we're gonna go have some breakfast before we go for diving.
So the daily schedule is written on this board. So later we are going to Lobster Bay and North Point at 8:30 AM. Let's go eat something.
They say there's a pretty good nasi lemak right down that way. Morning. So we're just done with breakfast and now we're going to go to the room, get changed and go for diving.
The weather is perfect now. I'm so excited to go to the sea.
Yeah! We just done our first dive. We're gonna go for the next one soon. We just went to Lobster Bay. We are going to go check out Kampung Tekek right now, which is about, I think, 15 minutes walk from here. We have a little bit of hike along the way. Tioman is one of the islands that is very well known for diving, and that's why we got our open water diving certificate, and we got it over here
Totally worth it.
last year.
There's many diving spots. Those red flag with the dash is diving spot. That was the only hike that you need to hike, and the rest is just downhill all the way.
Actually, for most parts, it's nicely paved. You can go off the beaten path as well, but it is advised to just follow these power lines. That's your guide, I guess. Once you come up on that trail, it's straight away Kampung Tekek. And the first thing you see is the marine park, where you can actually rent some snorkel gears and go snorkeling down there.
So we just came from Kampung Air Batang and we're heading to Tekek Beach, which is another 1 more km. So let's continue our journey.
Kampung Tekek is a bit more developed compared to the other villages, and you have roads here, there are cars over here. Compared to like ABC, there's no cars at all, only motorbikes occasionally. You can hear that sound, those are bats, and if you look up there, there's like thousands of them. I don't know, thousands or millions. It looks so scary. So apparently they're called flying fox. There's an airport right behind me, and you can actually fly over here if you have enough money to charter a flight.
We're at the airport, so just now was the runway, this is the airport.
The reason why we came to Kampung Tekek is actually to visit the duty-free shop, which is just right opposite the airport. Let's go. There's quite a few tour shops around here that can bring you for nearly every activity that you have on Tioman. You can take a 4x4 truck to go to Juara Beach, which is behind the island. You can also go snorkeling, diving, anything. There's even a school over here. I think this is a high school. Really made it to the duty-free shop, and it's huger than I expected. So huge.
So there's actually 2 different shops. One is the halal and one is the non-halal, and we're going there.
Alright, so we've just went in and bought ourselves a bunch of alcohols.
The sun is almost setting and we're going to Sunset Bar to have dinner and enjoy the sunset. So yeah, let's go. So one of the things you can do in Tioman is walk along the beach and enjoy the sunset. Welcome to Sunset Bar. Come on, let's go. Alright guys, we are in Sunset Bar right now. After a whole day of diving and a lot of walking, we are rewarding ourselves now with some pizzas and also enjoying the sunset and the beach, just basically relaxing by the beach. It is such an incredible sight. The weather is awesome.
It's perfect.
It's perfect.
Alright guys, so we're going to sign out for today, and stay tuned for tomorrow. We're going to go for more diving in the morning, and then after that we'll be heading back to KL. Alright guys, see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys! No, I'm going to show you the sunset first, then I'll see you tomorrow. Alright, bye guys! Good morning. Gonna go for breakfast, and this is actually our last day here. But before that, we're gonna have breakfast and 2 more dives. I think I'm gonna go find some sandwich for breakfast today. Right now we are in Mangrove Bay and we're going to rest for a while before we go for our next dive. Apparently you can even snorkel over here, and if there's high tide you can snorkel through the mangrove forest as well.
We are now waiting for the ferry.
Yes,
Just
we're
like you
waiting
said.
for a ferry. We're going to go back to KL right now. We just finished our dive and right now it's 2 o'clock. Our ferry comes here at 2:30. Hopefully they're not early. We don't want to miss this ferry. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us if you like to see more of our travel and food videos. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye guys.